What's up, YouTube fam? Sway Kicks here. Another quick review. Is raining outside. Quarantine still, but they're talking about some places are supposed to be opening up in Georgia. The 24th, and that's tomorrow, April 24th. So I'ma still be inside unless I got to go to work or really get something. But I'm talking. But I just want to do like a quick review for you guys. I guess I'm gonna just keep them coming like this since I'm in the house. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you see the box. You already know what they are. Once again, I won a raffle on sneakers and stuff. Shouts out to sneakers and stuff. Once again, coming through. Now, we all know this particular pair has been pushed back and back and back. The release date just been crazy. I'm just take one shoe out for right now. All right. Air Jordan DMP 6s. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I really wasn't trying to cop these, but looking at them now in hand, let's see, I am happy to have these in my collection, man. These are pretty dope. Pretty dope. Now, we all know DMP stands for Defining Moment pack. Hopefully one day we can get the 11s to come out. This hang tag looking mighty nice. Let's read it through the pack if I can get it. Air Jordan 6, June 12, 1991, Defining Moment, MJ's first professional championship. Yes, sir. And I'm pretty sure you guys have seen reviews over these from your other favorite YouTubers, but you getting mine. But that's pretty much to show you guys. I'm not about to get into it because you all know about the DMP 6s. Appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, it was a quick video during quarantine. And like I said, it's raining outside, so I'm going to do the on-feet inside. But I appreciate you guys watching. Swag Kicks them out. Be on the lookout for more videos. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at @ma_trice. All that information is down in the description below. Yeah, let's get into the on-feet.
It's been so fat, I'm just tryna study rats in a Gucci bag, All designer in a belt, it can't match, This a big bad boy, hell no, little bit can't match this, I want fresh at young niggas, that bitch been so fat, What's up with it, Get down with the game, know what come with it. I be with Lil Psyche, we shit on you niggas, you saw like some drama, we dumping shit. These niggas that gay and they hate on my neck, cause they say that I'm highly too confident. I'm popping my shit and I know I'm a star, cause my pop say the sky got no limit, bitch, This true story about a young nigga getting real bad when I used to do hoop shit. This same young nigga skipped third period in the sag getting top from a group. Let me quit playing bad beat in the A. I'm beat out the park like a break game. But dog free man, no chain gang. In the foreign cool switching lane. I'm just trying to study rats in a Gucci bag, All designer in a belt, it can't match. This a big bad boy, hell no, little bit can't match this. I want fresh at young nigga, step expensive fat brick.